Welcome to MYBC. MYBC is your online platform for accessing everything you need to know about your Bartercard account. To register, visit mybc.bartercard.com and click Login Register and then select Sign Up. Input your preferred email address, a username, and a password and click Sign Up. Agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be prompted to register your new card and username. Once these steps are complete, you will be taken to your MYBC dashboard. Once you have registered for MYBC, you will be able to access the platform by simply visiting mybc.bartercard.com and clicking Login Now. You will be asked for your username and password and then select Login. This will take you straight to your dashboard. Thank you for watching.